Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to remove or add recent files in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Navigate to the search bar and type in File Explorer options, then open it. In the General tab, locate the Privacy section. Here, you can check or uncheck the options according to your preference. Show recently used files, show frequently used folders. There's also an option to clear your File Explorer history by clicking on Clear. Next, right-click on the Start menu and select Settings, or press the Windows key +I to open the settings. From there, go to Personalization and click on Start. Now you can toggle the switch for Show Recently Added Apps, Show Most Used Apps, and Show Recently Opened Items on or off based on your preference. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.